Umentri rangba kajala u Conrad ke sangma ulalit jngoh dalade ya lympung iakura 7th Elite Men's National Boxing Championship kabalong hasai indoor hall ha karf khandai tarik nai wing. Kani lympung iakura kabalaya chakmat kelas dang nadu karfusan tarik nai wing batkan kut ha kashi tarik unok pra hajar pulai. Kibalaya dan langha kani kasngi ki kenthop ru ya ka Director of Sports and Youth Affairs kakong Isa Wanda Lalu IAS, USK Shandul Technical Delegate but Member Boxing Federation of India, Ubak John F. Karshing Working President ka MSOA, Ubak Lari Kharpran Joint Secretary ka BFI but kiway-kiway. Conrad ulaong bakalong kaburam kabakraw ya kajala bakanla penpenlong ya kani ka jngoh National Boxing Championship. Ulaong ru bakasorkar kalatre borba nakabenta benkentiu ya ki kam ya akai sport ha kajala da kabaai ka jingkershan kabapura ya ki kenhun seng bapher kabala plela chushu ha kabayadei berkijaka ai jinghikai ki jingtei nakabenta ki kam ya akai sport kajing itho iki klur bat kinong ya lekai sport bat da ka bapenlong ru iki babun jat kijing ya lekai.
There has been a very strong push by our government to support sports in general in our state by supporting the different associations, by creating more training facilities, by giving more financial support, and by having many programs like these being hosted here in our state. And let me assure all of you that we will continue to do this in the future also. And while we do this, there are a lot of challenges and difficulties we may face because we are only starting the process of making things happen. But we will learn along the way. The main reason why we are doing this, and I was telling Shandilji just now, that I am a very firm believer that we need to make sure that our youngsters are given the opportunity. मैं विश्वास करता हूँ कि हमारा देश जो है, हमारा देश युवाओं का देश है। हमारा पॉपुलेशन युवाओं का पॉपुलेशन हमारे देश में सबसे ज्यादा है और इसलिए बहुत जरूरी है कि हर सरकार, हर स्टेट, भारत सरकार से लेकर स्टेट गवर्नमेंट तक हम हमारे युवाओं को अलग अलग अपॉर्चुनिटीज दें। इनका जो टैलेंट है, इनका जो अलग अलग इंटरेस्ट है, we have been supporting from our side financially, but ultimately it is the team that has made this possible. If it is not for the association, it was not for the director, and if it was not for all of you who are present out here today, this tournament would not have been what it is. So all credit goes to you. I wish you all the very best. I wish every single athlete here the very best. Remember always that this is the end sport. There will be somebody who will win, there will be somebody who will lose. But at the end of the day, we are all sports person, and sports teaches us very important things in life. And one of them is that sometimes we win and sometimes we lose. But when we lose, it is how we take the loss, how we learn from it, how we improve, how we change, how we adapt. I think that is very crucial, and I hope that whatever memories, good or bad, you take away from here, happy or sad, I hope that this entire journey you have in the last many days and the days to come will be very memorable, and I hope that you will take away